Okay, welcome everyone to Blender. So today we're going to be doing a quick effect, which is explode, which is kind of like on the lines of animation, but I'm going to be showing you this basic effect and then we'll progress this as the tutorials go along, especially for 2026, where we might not be with 5.0, we may be with another model that's currently being tested. So what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and add a plane just for a background right here. We'll press S for scale. I'm just going to go ahead and just turn these little screen keys on so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so S for scale for your background. We're going to take the cube right here. We're going to press G, just bring this up. I'm going to ask you to go to your render engine, which is currently on Eevee, or should be, unless you've got another version. We're going to go ahead and switch that to cycles. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this cube right here. Let's go ahead and we'll go to Object. And you want to go down to Quick Effects, which is right here. So you've got Fur, Explode, Smoke, and Liquid. So we're going to go with Explode for today. And all you need to do from this point on is just press your space bar as such, and this will fall into pieces. Now we do have a quick explode menu right here, but I'm going to have to take off my screencasting keys for you guys to see it. So let's go ahead and just remove those real quick. I'm going to go ahead and go back to 0. Let's go with, you want the keystroke stuff, so let's go ahead. I'm going to so this quick effects that we've got right here, that you've noticed that this has disappeared. So if we just backtrack on this a little bit and take this effect off. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold coming up. Okay, so I'm just going to press G, just pull this up a little bit. And let's go to Objects and we'll go to Quick Effects. And then we've got Explode. Now, you'll see that this box comes up at the bottom again. And we've got number of pieces. We've got duration. We've got start from frame 1, which we're on right here. And then we've got end frame, which is 51. So this effect will end at 51, which is just about here. I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and just place this up to maybe 100. So the longer an effect is on here, in theory, the slower it should go. So it's almost like watching slow motion. So you could have duration as well. Let's go ahead and move that up again. It's going to kind of slow it down a little bit. Number of pieces, we could go 100, we could go multiple if you wanted to. We can also go ahead and make this plane. Let's go with the physics right here. We can make this a collision. So now when the cube parts fall, they should hit the floor right here. So if we press spacebar, we can see that they're now bouncing. What I would suggest with this is just experiment basically, but you'll notice as well, now that I've clicked this, the effects box has now disappeared. So that's something that you have to bear in mind. But I thought I'd show you guys this, just so you can kind of get an idea of what you can do with quick effects. So that's kind of the end of the tutorial, and later on I'm going to work on this a lot more with you guys so that you understand what you're doing, and we'll experiment with this as well to see what kind of effects we can get. So if you guys like this tutorial, please like, subscribe. I'm really trying to reach kind of a wider audience at the moment because I got 4K videos and like there's not a lot of people. So yeah, if you could like, subscribe, and do all that jazz, like, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.